How's it going, everybody? It's Gan Journeyman here, coming at you on Friday, Black Friday. No, I have nothing to sell you. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. I hope that everybody that's watching this is doing well and healthy and hanging in there. This bear market has been brutal, but hopefully the perspective here can give you some ray of hope, possibly. With everything, it's probabilities. There are no guarantees. So I want to start off with the two main charts that basically pointed me to this price point in the 15K range. And that is this 235 method, which I did post my chart building method on YouTube back in January, or roughly 10, 11, 12, 11, 10, 11 months ago, something like that. Get the words out your mouth, God. So what I learned the most from this chart is that these bisecting angles that take out the circles, the distances were on point, but it doesn't go in a straight line. It's kind of like the basketball that's, going down the hill and hitting random objects and bouncing out and then coming back down. But overall, it's still, making its way down the hill to the bottom of the land. So we did hit the bottom of the zone here. Right here at the 14,000 range would be 80% down roughly from the all-time highs. And I'm going to cover in my next chart why that's still maybe possible. Here's the other one I made back in May. So I had two charts pointing to the same area of interest. And with this chart, I actually did the same thing on the last bear market with Bitcoin, and it did prove to give me this bottom range here. So that's why I still feel like it might be in play, the 966. Like, yes, it hit the main objective, which was, that magnet pull down to 15K. But this bottom of the triangle makes me think it may not be completely over, but we'll see. So I called it there, May 23rd, pulled to 15K. Just use the math. And that's where it went. So that's how it played out. I just want to show the SPX. I know the chart that I did back in May 21st of 2022. Charting method works. D nailed the intersection here, provided the pivot, and we went back down to test that low again. Broke it, but went back above. This chart's basically out of date, so there's no more to add to this, although I would expect to see a reaction here, and because of there's no time frame, we don't know when that is. There's a chart for it somewhere. I still have it somewhere. So what date is that? No, I'll have to go look it up. All right, now back to Bitcoin. So this chart here, I have some dates coming up of interest, and maybe you might want to write these down. These could be pivot dates. So we have here, this already came in. Next up is the 5th of January of next year, 2023. Then we have the 28th of February. We have the 21st of, is that spring equinox? Or is it the 22nd or the 20th? I know it's not the exact anymore. It's shifted. Anyways, so 21st there, or the 20th. And then we have the April 24th. So if that last one was March, now we have April. And then the edge here, we're sitting right at probably 7-8. That makes more sense to me. It's closer to the circle edge there, the fib circle. So 7-8, write those dates down. The interesting thing is, so this is one method. If I came to look at this other method, where are we at? There you are. Come back over here. So this is my fib channel chart. Basically, different fib channels aligning with the different pivots have been producing pivots. Some are not exact, some are extremely exact. There's the transition from there, drop from there, drop from there, small bounce, and this came in at the low, roughly. Next date up, we're looking at between the 30th of this month and December 1st, the 18th of January, 27th of February. Oh, that's pretty close to the other one of the 28th. I would, if you have more than 2 charts showing you the same date or the same price levels or anything like that, make a note, because you're getting confluence on 2 different methods coming to the same conclusion. And then we have 6, 12, and then that's definitely 618, phi. And then 8-2 or 2-8. Interesting. Okay, so that's the pivots coming up from the fib channels that I would be keeping an eye on. I joke about this one. You got to know when to hold, know when to fold. Kenny Rogers, Uncle Kenny Rogers cycle. If this plays out, we could be looking at possibly, there's no guarantees, possibly end of bear market, the endings of the bear market in December 12th, 2022. So we'll see what happens. Like I said, here's the other chart. So we've broken through spiral support constantly, right? And the next edge of the spiral is coming in on 12-12. So do we come here and touch that? That's 9,100. So that and this chart here make me think there is a possibility we could reach the 910K area still. I hope not. It actually pained me to post this chart because no one wants to call a bear market like that, especially to 15K. But it is what it is. The math is the math. There's no denying it. It works. So, yeah. So there's no support right here from this chart with this spiral. Make your charts. Trust your charts. Read what your charts are telling you. The glimmer of hope, though, is this log chart. And basically, this is just a simple RSI. And if you look, this is on log as well. If you look with this this channel here, anytime it's got out, it was time to get out of the market. We really didn't get that last time. It wasn't that explosive. Which also kind of fooled everybody too, including myself, because I was expecting kind of like the V top that we got, back in 2017. We got a double top this go around. But it's just, if you'll notice too, anytime we get into these low areas, it's usually a good time to load up. So take that for what it's worth. I'm not telling you what to do, just giving you information. Anytime it gets to this little green area here, worked out. Green area, worked out. Green area. We did have another dip, but it worked out. And now we have another green area. So will it work? Will it not work? That's up to you to decide. The one thing I will add to this is this guy right here. Everything that happens once can never happen again. But everything that happens twice will surely happen a third time. That held true. So we got 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th event. We kind of have some divergence going on here with the RSI and price action on the log chart. So once again, take that for what it's worth. Does December hold some change in trend to begin? Will we hit all-time highs again next year? Probably not. So, but is it time to start the hold'em cycle again? Is it time to accumulate? Take a look. and you decide what you want to do. But that's my video. That's my Bitcoin update. So if you like this, go ahead and smash the like button. No, I don't want to say that. Every freaking YouTuber says smash the like button. So if you like this shit, great. If you don't, oh well. Find somebody else to read the TA to you. All right, guys, I'm out. Hope you have a great Black Friday and your Cyber Monday coming up. Y'all have a great day. See y'all next video. Peace.